Okay, here we go. Another flip through for a raffle that is happening in the Facebook group called Savageart Junk Journaling. If you want to be a part of that group, just head to Facebook and join. The tickets for this raffle are going to be $7. And there are only a certain amount of spots to claim, and once they're done, and then we do a live spin, and the winner gets this Jean Beauty. So let's do our flip through. We have a tie closure that is not attached. It totally comes off. We do have a not removable dangle coming down here. 4 signatures. That's the back. Room for you to put whatever you might like. You could take something out of this journal and add here, make your own thing. But that is jean material. It is made from a paper bag. So it's a soft cover, but it does have some strength because of the jean material. All right, we'll open her up, and this is the first page. So this was built to be a prayer journal. However, you could use it as a monthly planner as well. And I'll show you as we go. This is blank, so you can write whatever month if you want it as a monthly planner, or you can write whatever you want here, and there is room for the whole month. No dates. This first pocket is lace, and we have, it is handmade paper envelope with a little dangle, and it does have a journaling card here, and you open it up and there is a lot of writing space, and this is a habit tracker. Now you could use it for any habit: prayers, Bible reading, walking, any kind of tracker you want. But then we begin the weeks. You have Monday through Sunday here. More tea-dyed paper. A pocket with just some fun collage and a few little journaling spots. This does come off. There are book pages of all kinds in here. Little Ida's Flowers. Now that is faux handmade paper there. It does have some tea, some rose petals. We have an envelope. And can you see the gold sparkles that I flicked? You will see those sparkles on the front cover as well as inside. Now there are also, if you look at the front cover, there is also some metallic blue. You see? So golden metallic blue. So this is an envelope, and it just has some fun things for you inside. A page tab made out of jeans, a button, and this really neat beaded safety pin. Sparkles again, or flicks, whatever you would like to call them. A belly band with a journaling card. Here is a 10K step tracker. So if you want to keep track of your steps, cool. If you don't want to, You could cover that up with some collaging and use it as some other tracker. We are at our second week. Prayer Warrior. And you do have some stuff in there. Beaded clip, and this is a flip tag, and then more writing space. This is a fun paper pad. It is attached, and it does keep going and going. And when you get to the back, I did leave you some fun rice paper to play with. Ta-da! So head on over if you'd like to bid on her. Thanks, guys.